I think that parents and students, and speaking from experience, my daughter went to school here and graduated from the University of Tennessee. You want to know that safety is important and that people are going to look out for your most precious commodity, which is your child.
When we were doing the planning for active shooter events, it became clear to us that in an actual event, while police and EMTs are still responding, that lives could be saved if they had the right tools to help each other during the response. So once we saw that as a critical need, we started placing kits throughout campus and providing awareness and training so they knew they were there. So anywhere that there's a chance that bleeding can happen, the kits are valuable.